In this Workday performance demonstration, we will show you how to create a goal and a development item. We will also view organizational goals cascaded by a manager. I have logged in as Erica employee in the Workday training environment. Prior to this demo, Erica's manager cascaded goals to her. Cascading goals is a way to assign goals. This can be completed for an individual or many workers at once. What is a goal in Workday? A goal is a measurable objective typically geared towards an employee's performance. Goals are set by employees or managers and typically have a deadline. Coming up, we'll explore where to locate cascaded goals. In addition to this, we will see how Erica can set up a development item for herself in Workday. All right, let's begin this in the performance section of her worker profile. During the last team meeting, Erica's manager mentioned the team should make it a priority to welcome and assist in onboarding their 5 new colleagues. From the Individual Goals tab, she can see there's one active goal to welcome and onboard 5 new employees. This goal was set by her manager. In the description, she can see her manager would like her to meet with each new employee for a minimum of 30 minutes. We can see the status is not started because the new employees start tomorrow. Her manager would like this to be completed within the first 2 weeks of their onboarding. In addition to working on the goal her manager set, Erica wishes to add her own new goal. To add this goal, she will click Edit at the bottom of the page. Great! Here, she can also edit and update her progress on existing goals. Let's click Add to add her new goal. I can see there are a few fields to enter details for a goal. In the Goal text box, she will add the name of her goal. Let's type in Increasing Knowledge and Understanding of Higher Education Best Practices. While the rest is optional, I will fill out some more information to give greater context to Erica's goal. She can also assign a category to a goal. The existing categories are Academic Research, Campus Initiatives, Career Objective, Development Objective, and more. For this goal, she'll select Career Objective and Development Objective. Setting a goal status is required when adding a new goal. The statuses are Not Started, In Progress, Complete, and Pending Review. For now, we will mark it Not Started. If the goal is related to one or more competencies or performance factors, the Relates To section can be used to pick the related competencies. She could also link it to an organizational goal by selecting an organizational goal from the Supports field. Linking goals to competencies or an organizational goal can be useful for tracking and reporting, but it will not impact goal completion. Next, we will add a due date of October 1st, 2023. Erica will give herself a year to complete her goal. As progress is made, she can add milestones in this section. Milestones provide a way for the employees to track actions they have taken towards a goal. Milestones have their own status and due date independent of the overarching goal. Finally, we will click Submit. Excellent! Now the individual goal has been submitted. All goals edited or created by the employee will route to their manager for approval. Next, we will look at development items. Development items are incremental targets created to track development of an employee's knowledge, skills, and abilities, commonly created without a due date. Development items are also housed on the employee's worker profile under Performance. Let's click Add to see what information we can enter for development items. She decided to name this item Improve Presentation Skills. In the Additional Information text box, she will add some more information to provide clarity. And just like with goals, she can choose to link a development item to a competency or performance factor. We can use the search feature in the Related To field to find a competency. Let's type presentation skills. Great! And we'll mark the development item as not started. If we click on Details, more information can be filled in, such as start date, completion date, and notes. For now, we will click the checkbox to add the development item to her profile. Unlike goals, development items do not need to be approved, so this item will appear directly on Erica's profile where she can go back and edit the item at any time. If she wants to view her new goal and development item, she can find them in the Performance section of her worker profile. We hope you learned more about creating goals and development items in Workday. Thank you for watching.